Which choice completes the text so that it conforms to the conventions of standard English? As British scientist Peter Wibberley has observed, the Earth is not a very good timekeeper. Earth's slightly irregular rotation rate means that measurements of time must be periodically adjusted. Specifically, an extra leap second, the 86,401st second of the day, is blink time based on planets' rotation lags, a full 9/10ths of a second behind time kept by precise atomic clocks. So looking at the second sentence, we can see that it has just one independent clause, where there is this phrase specifically an extra leap second is added whenever time is based on the planet's rotation lags a full 9/10ths of a second behind time kept by precise atomic clocks. So this key thing to note here is that the word is before this phrase here means that no punctuation is required in this phrase, because that would interrupt the flow of the sentence. So looking at answer choice A, it says added, comma, whenever. Now we know this is incorrect because the comma after added would interrupt the flow of the sentence, or it would read specifically an extra leap second is added, whenever time based on the planet's rotation lags. So because this interrupts the flow of the sentence, we can eliminate answer choice A. B. Added semicolon whenever. This is incorrect because for a semicolon to work in this case, these two sentences must be two independent clauses, but this is not the case, so semicolon cannot work here. C. Added, comma, whenever. This is incorrect because like B, a comma is only viable here when there is two independent clauses, but in this case there's only one independent clause, the whole sentence as its whole. So comma does not work in this case. D. Added, comma, added whenever, no punctuation at all. So this is the correct answer because this properly shows that there is no punctuation needed at all, and because this properly shows that, there is we can conclude that D is the correct answer.